Today, we're going over the best cordless hammer drill from our top picks: torque, speed, battery efficiency, durability, and ergonomic control for professionals and serious DIY users worldwide today. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill is designed for professionals who demand top-tier power, safety, and precision on the job site. As one of DeWalt's most powerful 20V hammer drills, it delivers exceptional performance, making it suitable for everything from heavy masonry work to fine drilling and fastening tasks. The high-speed 2-speed transmission combined with a variable speed trigger allows smooth control, with ranges of 0 to 600 and 0 to 2000 RPM, ensuring accuracy whether you are driving screws or drilling through concrete. A standout feature is the anti-rotation system, which actively senses excessive rotational movement and automatically shuts the tool down to protect the user. This safety-focused innovation is especially valuable when working with large bits or dense materials, and the red LED indicator clearly signals when the system is engaged. Power-wise, this drill is built to compete at the highest level, offering up to 25% more power compared to some competing professional brands, making demanding applications faster and more efficient. Number 2. Craftsman 20V Hammer Drill. The Craftsman 20V Hammer Drill is a solid and dependable choice for users looking for a balance between power, practicality, and value. As part of the V20 cordless system, it seamlessly integrates with other Craftsman tools, making it convenient for users already invested in the platform. Powered by a high-performance motor producing up to 280 unit-watts out, this hammer drill is capable of handling demanding job site tasks, such as drilling into masonry, concrete, brick, and wood. The hammer mechanism delivers up to 25,500 blows per minute, allowing for faster and more efficient drilling in tough materials. A 2-speed gearbox provides flexibility, with lower speeds ideal for fastening and higher speeds optimized for drilling applications. The half-inch ratcheting chuck ensures improved bit retention, helping maintain accuracy and reducing interruptions caused by slipping bits. One of the key advantages of this package is the inclusion of V20 20V Max lithium-ion batteries with high-performance cells, offering reliable runtime and consistent output. Number 3. DCK 20V Hammer Drill. The DCK 20V hammer drill stands out as a powerful and feature-rich tool designed to handle demanding drilling and driving tasks with ease. At its core is a real brushless motor that delivers up to 600 watts of output, offering improved efficiency, reduced heat, and a longer lifespan compared to brushed alternatives. With an impressive maximum torque of 531-inch librans, 60 Newton-meters, this drill is well equipped for heavy-duty applications such as drilling into thick brick walls, hard steel, and dense wood. Its high-impact performance of up to 36,000 impacts per minute ensures fast penetration in masonry, making it a reliable option for construction and renovation work. The drill features 2 variable speed ranges of 0 to 550 and 0 to 2200 RPM, along with 22 +1 +1 torque settings, allowing users to fine-tune control for drilling, hammer drilling, or screw driving tasks. The included 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime, supporting long work sessions without frequent recharging. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18V Brushless Hammer Drill. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18V brushless hammer drill, model PBLHM101B, is built for users who want reliable performance within the versatile Ryobi 1 Plus ecosystem. Featuring brushless motor technology, this drill delivers increased efficiency, longer runtime, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed models. Designed as a tool-only option, it is ideal for users who already own Ryobi 1 Plus batteries and chargers, allowing for cost-effective expansion of their tool collection. The 1/2-inch hammer drill design provides the power needed for drilling into wood, metal, and masonry, making it suitable for a wide range of home improvement and professional tasks. Its compact and ergonomic build helps reduce user fatigue, especially during extended use or overhead applications. The brushless motor ensures consistent power output while maintaining smoother operation and better control. As part of the Ryobi 1 Plus HP line, this drill is optimized for higher performance applications,
delivering stronger torque and faster drilling speedings than standard 1+ tools. The integrated LED work light improves visibility in dimly lit areas, enhancing accuracy and safety on the job.
Number 5. DCA 20-volt hammer drill. The DCA 20-volt hammer drill is a versatile and well-equipped tool designed to meet the needs of both home users and professionals. Powered by a high-efficiency 400-watt brushless motor, it delivers up to 492 inch-pounds of maximum torque, providing ample power for drilling and screw driving in a variety of materials. The brushless design ensures longer runtime, reduced maintenance, and spark-free operation, enhancing overall durability. With an impact frequency of up to 27,000 BPM, this hammer drill performs reliably when working on masonry and brick surfaces. The 2-speed gearbox, offering ranges of 0 to 450 and 0 to 1800 RPM, combined with 18+1+1 torque settings, allows precise control across drilling, driving, and hammering applications. A durable 1/2-inch all-metal keyless chuck provides strong bit retention and supports impressive drilling capacities in wood, steel, and brick. Weighing approximately 1.3 kilograms, the drill's compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, even in tight or overhead spaces. An integrated LED work light further improves visibility in low-light environments. That wraps up the top 5 best cordless hammer drill. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.